let's pack for Italy. So I have my suitcase here. I just opened it up. Actually, before we start that, let me show you what just came in. Look at my new phone case from Velvet Caviar. It is from their new Wicked collection. It's so cute. Perfect for the movie coming out in a few weeks. Okay, so we are going to Italy. We've had this trip planned for a little bit. It is the last big trip we're gonna do before we get married, which is gonna be so exciting. So we're just doing this for us, and it is gonna be fall weather there. So I wanted to pack with you for our Italy trip, which I'm so excited for. Again, we've been planning this for a little bit now, so I'm excited to take you along, but I wanted to pull some things and see what outfits work. I have some inspo pictures that I'll place up here, but also I can show you a few so you can see sort of like what I was looking for when I thought like the clothes that I wanted to bring for this trip. So I just looked up like what like Italian style in the fall, like what that looks like, and like these are sort of the vibe that I'm going for. I have screenshotted a whole bunch for when I was like looking for jackets and things. So this is sort of the vibe I'm going for. This was like the one outfit I was like, I'm gonna put this together, and so I did. So that's what we're looking for. That's the sort of outfits we're going to put together. Let's start with the trousers that I got. Like I told you, these were gonna be the Villa de Ball. Here, I bought these a while ago, knowing I wanted them to be like the pants of my season, and these are from Abercrombie & Fitch, but they're my first pair of trousers, and they are so cute. They're like this light gray cream color, and I'm styling this outfit based off that last picture I showed you. So these are the trousers I would wear, and then I would bring my favorite red cardigan to wear on top, and then just like a t-shirt underneath it so that I can take it off if it gets warmer during the day, but it will be a little chilly. But I thought this could be a super cute outfit. So this is outfit one. Let me grab the white t-shirt. So I have two options of white t-shirt, but I grabbed this one that's not a v-neck just because I think this could be a little more versatile, and I think it'll be a good option with this outfit. And so that is going to be outfit one. So this is what that'll look like all together. And I was thinking with a lot of my outfits, there are going to be two pairs of shoes that I'll mainly be wearing. All right, so I'm going to bring these Rag & Co shoes, which would be cute with this outfit. But I just recently got these Puma athletic ballet flats, which I've been obsessed with. And I think these actually would be cute with this outfit as well. But I'm going to bring both of them and pair outfits sort of around this, and also a pair of sneakers that I'm going to be bringing. But these are the main pair of shoes, my little loafers here, and these ballet flats. So that's what we'll be styling with everything else. And again, I think with this outfit, I will really like these loafers with it. Next outfit I'm sort of trying to work out. I have these brown corduroy trousers, and I want to wear this cardigan. And I thought that maybe this shirt underneath would look good, but I think it's too much. So I think I need to do I will need to end up bringing a white v-neck to wear under this, because without the white stripes, this actually looks really cute with the cardigan or with the trouser pants, and I think this could be a really cute outfit. So this is an option, I think, but I'll show it to you in a minute. Okay, so that outfit I just showed you, these are the brown corduroy trousers from Halara. I have this white cardigan. I also think for a more casual look, this outfit would be cool with this jacket. I think I'm gonna bring this jacket just as an extra anyway, but I think this would be cute. And then the v-neck little white top underneath. And that is outfit two. All right, so the next outfit is going to be based off this brown suede skirt. This is such a super cute skirt. I'm thinking I'm gonna wear that with tights and this green and white striped turtleneck, and then over top of this will be a jacket if it's cold. And I was thinking this jacket would be perfect. I think it would be so cute on top of this. So that is outfit number 3, and I need to grab some tights for it, but that's what we're working with. I got this maroon satin skirt to wear as well, and I'm thinking this would be really cute with a white turtleneck, which I have here. It's all folded up, but it would be cute with the white turtleneck. And then this jacket, either this jacket again, I think would be really cute, or it might be fun to mix these colors and do this one. I'm gonna bring both jackets anyway, so I think they'll both be a good option. Or I was thinking this could even be cute with like a little white t-shirt to make it a little cool. And let me show you what I'm thinking. So like this Stuck in the Twilight Zone little baby tee with this skirt, black boots, and one of the jackets if it's a warmer day. I think that would be really cute too. So we're bringing both of those. I think those could be cute options with this skirt, and I will be wearing black boots with it. Okay, so I have this skirt that I'm trying to work with here, and I think I'm going to do this yellow turtleneck with it. I think that would be really a cute option here. So I think that's gonna be the next outfit that I pack. Let me change and show you the skirt up close. Okay, so this is the skirt up close. Super cute, super fall. I'd probably wear skin color tights under it and some boots. And then again, I think this yellow turtleneck will be the winner here. He's like, look at that. Look how good that would look together. My fiance disagrees, but whatever. And then I think I want to bring this red corduroy skirt as well. And I need to figure out what to wear on top with this one. I could also just repeat with the white turtleneck here. I also have this tan Henley that would look good with almost any outfit that I bring, so it could be a good like backup option. And it's a good long sleeve shirt, so I'll probably bring that anyway. But that is the next outfit. I don't know how many outfits we're at now. I'm gonna be honest. Probably at too many. So we need one more with a pair of blue jeans. I'm currently wearing the jeans that I think I want to bring. So I have to figure out what sweater I want to style with this. So let me do that. But my list, we have a lot of checks. So that's really good. And I think we have a lot of cute outfits coming together. So let's see, what could we style? Let's go back to our inspo pictures, shall we? And let's see what they are styling jeans with. Okay, so this one, oh, I'm close, hello. This one we have like a turtleneck, some jeans, and a jacket, which I could do. That's cute. And with this one, she has like a long sleeve with a jacket on and some jeans and boots too. And then she has a little sweater wrap and some jeans. So that is looking like the vibe. Okay, let me look in my closet and come back to you with some top options. All right, so I sort of liked the look of the light jeans in that one photo. So I do have these light jeans here that would look super cute that I could put together an outfit. So I'm gonna think with these in mind and then have an extra outfit with these that I'm wearing down here, which are like a blue jean. All right, so I'm going for the vibe of that one picture with the light blue jeans. And so I have this white jacket that I'm bringing as well. So all I need is a turtleneck under it. And the other thing is I could do the white turtleneck I already have and wear one of the other jackets, which I think would be cute as well, but I kind of want to be able to mix it up. And I have this orange turtleneck that I like, and it's thicker, so it would keep me warm. And I think that could be a really cute option. I do also have this one, which is a mock turtleneck, but it's not as warm, and it's kind of, the colors are kind of crazy. But those are the two options. So let me see. I kind of feel the orange. I don't know. Hold on. Okay. Sorry, my watch was going off in the distance. Surprise option 3 is those same blue jeans with a white turtleneck. And I think either of the jackets would be cute. Like even this, I think would be super cute. So that's what we're gonna do. And now I'm gonna do one more outfit with the blue jeans. And I have decided I will be bringing my white jacket. I think I wanna try to create this outfit for the last one. I don't think these blue jeans are making it. So I have my black skirt. I've been wanting to make this work, and I think I could do like this, and then my white jacket and my black boots. I think this outfit would slay. So I think that's that, and now I'm getting to the point of maybe too many outfits. Oh, I'm gonna bring one more pair of blue jeans. Okay. Let me figure out how to style this with something. I don't know what to do. Wait, it's so obvious. I just wear one of the turtlenecks I have, my blue jeans, my brown vest. I freaking love wearing this brown vest. I think that might be it. All right, I'll have to lay everything out, but this is the giant pile of stuff that is going to Italy with me. So now we just have to pack it all up. Yay! All right, I laid everything out so that it makes more sense and added in what shoes I'm bringing. A lot of the shoes translate over to other outfits, so no problem there, but this is everything I'm bringing. A lot of it matches really well, so I think I can mix and match if I need to. And yeah, this looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. I think we just now need to... I actually do have to figure out what bag I want to bring. I shouldn't bring too many bags. I'm gonna limit myself to 2. I have to be very picky about the ones that I bring. So let me narrow down some options. Okay, I am gonna bring my black bagoo as my travel bag just because it's easy, and I think it'll be a safe option for... Sorry, my battery died. I'm gonna bring my bagoo bag because I think it's a safe travel option and will go with anything in a pinch. So that is one option. I do think my Marc Jacobs bag would be a good match, but I don't necessarily love having bags like this when I'm traveling. I like crossbody bags better, so I don't think this is a great option, but it would look good with a lot of these outfits. I do have this bag, which I think is really cute, but I don't think it would match with a lot of the outfits too much. I don't know, and it would clash with the leopard jacket, I think. Yeah, I think it would clash with that, so, and I have a lot of outfits with that one. But I could bring it to wear with the ones that I wear, the white jacket and the red jacket. So this is a potential. I also have this Ted Baker bag, but I need something other than black, but I think this would be a good option as well for like a nicer bag to have. The only problem with this one is it doesn't have that much space, but it's not like any of those do either. So I'm gonna start packing up this stuff, and then we'll add in all the other stuff later. All right, everything fits, and we actually don't have that much more to go in, which is fantastic.